the Sweet Spot, here to share with you a really exciting new feature that's part of the Sweet Spot in the courses and membership section. So as you can see, this is my own account in the Sweet Spot, and I have 3 different courses here. I'm going to show you in my demo course. I have a training site, which is what I use for my clients, as well as software onboarding course. And what I do every week is I do a weekly tech call, and up until now, what I've been doing is I scheduled it in Zoom, I hold the event, and then I have to wait for Zoom to download the recording, and then I have to upload it into my course. But now, no longer with this new feature. So I set up this demo course just to give you an idea. So if I go into this, actually I can go in here. So most people are familiar, if you've set up a course before, with the outline section, the settings, the customize, the offers, etc., where you set up all the things. So you can see for this demo, I just use the course contents. This is a template, and then this is weekly tech calls, which is, I'm going to try because that's setting it up in there. This is the new section called Live Sessions. So now you can actually schedule and hold your events within your account. You do not have to set it up in Zoom, and it will automatically send notifications, make a recording, and then you can add the recording to your course if you want. So here you just click the add. You can see I put some in there. So let's go coaching call 2. You can put a description, your name, you can add a thumbnail, you go next, and then you do the scheduling. So say, for example, I want to start these on Mondays, and I want to have them happen at 9 a.m. and end, and you can even see 10 a.m. So it can either be something that doesn't repeat, so maybe you're doing a special thing, or maybe you're doing a weekly call. So we'll go recurring. And so we're going to go repeats every 1 week. And for now, I'm going to put never. What I do notice that the never actually doesn't really mean never. It means 53 weeks from now, and you'd have to redo it again, and then go next. And then you can leave these on to notify people of the changes, and I'll show you the emails, the automatic emails, which I haven't even customized yet, and I think they're fine. Remind learners. So I already have an automation for mine, so I'm going to do an hour before. Because it's going to say exactly. So I'm going to go create. Oops. Oh no, network error. Maybe I have too many things open. Let's close this. See if I try it now. It's probably because I had another tab. Okay, so here's the ones I did. This one I actually did earlier, and it'll take a second, and then you have them here. So then when it's time to go live, you just click this one. Now this one's set up for 4 o'clock today. This one's not till next week, but I want to show you as well. I'll go over to my inbox, and you can see that because I scheduled that and I have this offer, it sent me a notification about it. So it will send your clients a notification and will allow you to add them to the calendar and view the sessions. So that's the first part that happened. Okay, so then you can just go live, and then it will open up another thing, and then it looks similar, very similar to Zoom. You can do the recording, etc., etc. It's going to take a minute to load, so I'm not going to show this right now, but you can change your background. There's very similar things that you would do. Oh, okay, here we go. It's going to say no one else is here. So if somebody had already joined your live session, you go join session, and then it will connect me, and then it'll tell people it's recorded. You go continue, and I'm going to also turn on all my things. So now that I'm live, it's going to send people a notification who have this course that I am live, so they can click on it and join right away. So this is what it looks like. And then I'm going to end the session. Let's just assume we're ending the session. You can share screens. You can do everything you normally do. Okay, so that's done. It's now saying there. So now I'm going to go to this one, which I actually recorded earlier. So here's where the recordings are. And so this one's, oh, it's already available. You can view them, or you can do this. I can click the plus and I can add it to the module. So it's going to go weekly tech calls and it's going to add it to the module automatically. So now if I go back to the outline, you can see it's right here. So if I click on that, the only thing I need to do is publish it. So for example, if I want to, it automatically put the thumbnail, which is great. What I normally do is I add some information on what we covered. You can see, you can play it, and similar to other things, you can choose this as the media thumbnail.
Doing a test.
So it's there and it's right there. No more uploading. It's pretty much instantaneous. You go save and publish, and then your people will get notification that it's available. So now I'm going to go to my email. So you can see, so this is the one that came when I scheduled it. This is the one that happened because I ran it. So it allows someone to join. And then this is the one that said, oh, this is for me to tell me as the coach or the owner of the account that it's ready to do. And I guess maybe it doesn't send out the recording, but maybe I can update that. So that's it. It's pretty darn amazing. So let me know what you think, and maybe I'll do a live session on this very feature to help people with it. Thanks for listening.